Please. Then we have a question from Mr. M. Harwani. He is Director, India Vision TV from Denmark. He says, all these social media platforms are American. Why can't India has its own social media platform? I think I'll get Arvind to respond to this. Arvind Gupta, head of the IT cell.
So, I think the gentleman who asked the question, there is a platform that that is being extensively used within India. We are using it within India. It's called MyGov, and a lot of interactions, communities, and engagement is already happening there. But I think your question is very valid, and that relates to the bigger overall thing of what we want to do as a country, as a digital country, and whether we can be overall in the future dependent only on Facebook, Twitter, to create and manage all these big projects and conversations. See, so far the view has been that these are very now most pervasive platforms, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. They have so much of reach that we have to make sure that we use them for all public discussions and public information. So as far as though confidential information is being shared on them, I think these platforms have the reach, everybody uses them. Whenever we've done any poll or any survey of anybody who does not use WhatsApp, and if we do that in this room, everybody, if I ask anybody who does not use WhatsApp, the number will be very, very little, for example. So I think those platforms are public platforms. They are very, they have a great reach. But I think point taken, India should aim and have an ambition to create its own platform. A platform from the government called MyGov is already there for all discussions, inputs, policy inputs and feedback. And that's being very, very actively used. I think the last count was about 4 million people are actively engaged on the MyGov platform in India. And one of the suggestions this panel, when they had done internal deliberations, was to see how this platform can be even leveraged by embassies overseas and missions overseas to get more ideas and more feedback. So,
also, Arvind, if I may add, all these platforms may be American, but the people behind these platforms, I'm sure, are all Indians.
Everybody who's managing it is, of course, our people.
But I would like to add on this one.
We have a question from G. Singh. Is from Mr. M. Harwani, Director, India Vision TV, Denmark. He's already asked a question. He has a second question. MyGov website is asking for state or local mobile number, and it is very difficult to log on or register from a foreign country. Amit or Arvind, you want to address that?
Sir, as I said, initially it was open for people who have a local number or a local mobile number. I think there are discussions on to see how it can be enabled for overseas people also. So.